The real estate market is shifting. People keep asking me this. The guy behind the camera says, Ed, the market's shifting, talk about it. Listen, the market's always shifting. I've not been alive for one day when I haven't seen the market shift. It is either going up or it's going down or it's shifting sideways. It's always shifting. And I just question all this dialogue and conversation around the question, is the market shifting? Does it really affect your situation? Then yes, you have to look at it. Can you get ahead of a shift? Yes, you can get ahead of a shift. So how will it affect you? If it goes slightly up and you own a home right now, it's going to go up in value. And if you're going to shift into another home, that home's going to cost more. So it's not going to have a major effect if you're a move-up buyer. If you're a move-down buyer and you're downsizing and this home goes up in value and you're going to buy one less expensive, but prices are shifting up, it may save you a little bit of money when homes are shifting up. If you have not bought a home yet, you're sitting on the sidelines waiting for the market shift to go in your favor, the best thing that could happen is prices go down. Most people think that. But if prices going down, what's causing prices to go down? Is it interest rates are going back up again? Then it's more costly to own the home. So I think in the perfect scenario, if you're on the sidelines and haven't bought a home, and you think you believe, not what I say, but you believe interest rates will eventually go down, then it's been proven that if you buy a home now and interest rates go down later, you can refinance later, and you're better off because prices are going to be skyrocketing and your payments are going to be lower. And so you'll be able to take advantage of that. So yes, a market shift is going to happen. It's always going to happen. Sit down and figure out what is the best thing for you, your family, your situation, and does buying or selling really benefit you at this time? Then make that decision. If it doesn't benefit you for any other reason than to just try to time the market, maybe it's best to not do anything and just sit tight. With that, that's my opinion on market shifting. Yes, it's shifting. It'll always be shifting. It's not going to stop shifting. Have a shifty day. Thank you.